Welcome to the Hilton M. Briggs Library Speech 101 instruction. This video will cover searching the library catalog. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify appropriate sources for looking for books, government documents, and videos. You will also be able to locate those books, government documents, and videos owned by Briggs Library and find them in the library. One of the best places to find extensive information on a topic is the book collection in a library. Books don't usually have the newest, most cutting-edge information, but they do have well-established knowledge that goes into more depth than an article in a journal can. Another source of information on many topics is the U.S. government, which is the largest publisher in the world. Sometimes, even movies or educational programming can be good sources of information. And all of these sources can be searched in the library catalog. One thing to note when you are searching for books is that the topics covered in books are likely to be broader than the topic you are giving your 7-minute speech on. Imagine a topic that someone could write 1,073 pages about. Now try to cover that topic in 7 minutes. You aren't going to give a very good speech on such a broad topic. Now think about a nonfiction book you have read recently. Perhaps your speech textbook would be a good example. The book is broken up into chapters, covering a subtopic within the bigger topic. Your search should acknowledge that books will cover a broader topic than yours, and you may only want a chapter or even part of a chapter within a book for your topic. Let's take the subject we developed a search for in the previous module, drinking and driving. Well, there might be a book on that topic, and if so, we might need to narrow our topic, and the book can help us do that. We might also need to broaden our search to find books that cover what we want. We are going to take a very brief look at searching the catalog. For more information on this topic, see the extra credit session on finding books. From the library's homepage, click on Find Library Resources, then on Library Catalog, Books, Videos, Government Documents. I will type my search into the search box in our catalog. Note that in this database, I must capitalize the words or and. I get 236 records. This has searched almost all of the fields in our records to find our terms. We get a brief description of the items on the first screen with a word cloud of terms that you might have meant, other spellings and synonyms on the left, and other ways that you can refine your search on the right. You can explore these or use the extra credit opportunity to refine your search and get extra credit at the same time. If I click on the title of one of the records, I can get more information about that record. For your citations, you will need the author, yes, all of them, the book title, the publisher, the place of publication, and the date. You can see where each of these pieces of information is located. To actually find the book in the library, you need to go to the bottom of the screen. Here we have the library, collection. For us, that is where the item is actually located, the call number, the copy, and whether the item is available on the shelf right now. If the item isn't on the shelf, a date will appear here. This is the date that the item is due back in the library. Our catalog allows you to do various things. In the advanced search, you can search by specific fields, such as author or title. Under My Discoveries, you can also create an account and do some cool Web 2.0 things, like make lists, tag items, rate items, and write reviews. Some of these can either be public or private. Many of them are only public. Finally, we link to Google Books on the right-hand side. Google Books often gives you a preview of a book or the image of a cover. Once you have a book, government document, and/or video, you are ready to move on to finding articles from magazines, journals, and newspapers. We will do this next with ProQuest.